If you want to use ChatGPT inside Google Workspace, the good news is that it only takes a few simple steps to get set up. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install the ChatGPT extension for Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and even Gmail, so you can work faster and bring AI into your everyday workflow. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs in your browser. You can do this by going to docs.google.com or by opening any Google document you already have. Once you're inside Google Docs, look up at the top menu bar and click Extensions. This is where Google keeps all of its add-ons and extra tools. After that, hover over Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can search for and install extensions that work with your Google apps. In the Marketplace search bar, type ChatGPT. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the right result, because there may be multiple tools with similar names. From the search results, click on ChatGPT in Slides, Docs, Sheets. This is the extension that lets you use ChatGPT directly inside your Google Workspace apps. Once you open the listing, click Install. Google may ask you to sign in and review permissions, so go ahead and follow the prompts carefully. This step is normal because the extension needs access in order to work inside your documents and spreadsheets. After the installation is complete, you can start using the extension right away. The best part is that it won't just work in Google Docs. You'll also be able to access it in Google Slides, Google Sheets, and Gmail, which makes it very useful for writing, brainstorming, summarizing, and speeding up your daily tasks. For example, in Google Docs, you can use it to help draft content, improve writing, or generate ideas. In Google Sheets, it can help with formulas, data-related prompts, and organizing information. In Google Slides, you can use it to build presentation content faster. And in Gmail, it can help you write replies or create clearer email messages in less time. To open the extension later, just return to your Google Workspace app and look under the Extensions menu again. Depending on the app, you may also see it available through the Add-ons or Sidebar area. That means once it's installed, you do not need to repeat the setup every time. It stays connected to your Google account and is ready whenever you need it. One quick tip. If you ever stop using the extension, you should remove or manage access from your Google account settings for better security. That way, you keep full control over what is connected to your workspace. And that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT in Google Workspace. It's a quick setup, but it can save you a huge amount of time across Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.